My name is Simran, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a friendship bracelet. Start off, choose 4 different colors for your bracelet, and then cut out 45 inches of each of them. And then I'm going to put off the strings to the side and take some cardboard. I'm also going to bring a round object and trace it. Once it is traced, I'm going to cut it out. Now that the circle is cut out, find the center point and make a hole. Next, mark 8 equal parts on the edges. Now I'm going to make a cut at each line we made. Now I'm going to take this off to the side and bring the strings back in. Take your strings and fold it in half. This is where we are going to make our loop. Decide how big you want your loop to be and tape one side of it down. Take your left string and make a forward knot by going over the strings and taking it through the loop. Next, pull it up to the top, and that's a forward knot. Then you're going to do a backward knot by doing the same thing, but taking it over the other side, and then taking it through the loop again and pulling it back up to the top. And this is what you're going to continue. After you have made a few knots, you can switch the color by going to the next left string and making forward and backward knots again. Stop here by taking off the tape and now I'm going to curve it over and tape this top down. To close it off, I'm just going to take one of my strings and make a knot around them all. like to do it 3 times just to make it really secure. And now I'm going to take the tape off and bring the cardboard back in. What you're going to do is take this loop and push it through this hole. Pull it up to the top. As you can see, we have 8 strings and 8 cuts, but we need 1 empty cut. So what we are going to do is cut out one of these strings. And now we have 7 strings. What you're going to do is randomly take each string and place it into the cuts. Keep the empty cut facing you, and then skip 2 strings. Go to the 3rd one and pull it out, and then take it into that empty cut. Then rotate, take the 3rd string and bring it into that empty cut. That's all you are going to do, and you will soon see your bracelet form at the bottom. So continue this process. Once your bracelet is long enough to go around your wrist, you can take it out of the cardboard. Tie a knot at the end. Then cut off the extra. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!